Here are 4 crucial things that you can do in your room right now to make it look expensive. Let's start with the biggest expensive looking hack, lighting. In order to curate an expensive looking hack in your room, you have to layer your lighting. By layering, I mean having multiple sources of light coming from different angles, strategically lighting your room. So instead of relying only on overhead lighting alone, add layers of light with wall lights, table lamps, chandeliers, and floor lamps. That's how you make your room feel luxurious from morning's first light to the deep hours of evening. And there's this LED lighting which is so great, which can even be placed on joinery shelves, cabinets, and stands. This really helps in adding that layered feeling in a room. Hook number 2 is all about creating a moment in your room. What I mean is that your room needs a statement piece, a piece that commands attention and sets the tone and mood in your entire space. It can be a large wall art, a magnificent chandelier, a statement coffee table, or just any attractive feature that's large enough to command attention. An expensive room has that statement piece which everything is built around it. That's why you'll find luxurious designers have invested a lot of money in a specific item. For example, a statement chandelier to draw you in the space. The third thing that you should do in order to make your room look expensive is always think about your surfaces. By surfaces, I mean that area on top of your coffee tables, consoles, side tables, TV stands, and shelves. Take a keen look at these surfaces. If they are bare, that's a missed opportunity. Think of them as not only your little stage for displaying your favorite items, but also as an opportunity to add character, depth, and dimension to your entire space. That will require you to delve into thoughtful selection of beautiful accessories for your shelves, console, and coffee table. Never leave these surfaces bare because these accessories makes your room feel layered and collected. Then lastly, it's all about the proportionality and the scale of your items. You've probably noticed that expensive rooms tend to have large floor rug that frames your sofa, a large wall art that draws your eye, and some, instead of having small pieces of furniture, they have a large set of furniture. I probably think that larger items are easily recognized and draws attention to themselves. That's why they have a higher aesthetic value compared to smaller items. Also check on your curtains. They should be mounted high close to the ceiling, which elevates the whole room. That's it from us. See you on the next one.